Morning to all students, parents and teachers which are looking my high school Lohara digital class. Students, in the last video we study about the classification of elements on the basis of electronic configuration. Into that bit what we study, the elements in the modern periodic table are classified on the basis of electronic configuration into four types. One is called a S block element, another is called a P block element, third one is called a D block element, and fourth one is called a F block element. Okay, now we have to study in this video in detail about the T blocks element. This is the periodic table in front of you. Into this periodic table, you observing that the elements placed at the left side of the periodic table from from first group and second group is called a S block element. So the element from first and second group from the periodic table is called a S block element. Why it is called a S block element? It is seen in the last period because the valence electron enters into S subshell, and this will be studied with the help of example. Okay, look at the example of sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? It is 11. According to suborbital, its electronic configuration is as follow: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. From this it is observing that, or it is observed that the valence electron is enter into S subshell. So the element from first and second group are called a S block element. Okay, the element from S block element and from first group is called a alkali metal, while the element from second group is called a alkaline earth metal. Why? It is seen in the last video. Okay, after that, next point is that all these the element from S block are called a normal element. Why they are called a normal element? Because they contain outermost one orbital which is incompletely filled. Look at this example. Okay, into first orbit how many electron? There are 2. In second orbitals how many electron? There are 2 plus 6 means 8 electron. That is first orbit is completely filled up by duplet. Second orbit is completely filled up by octet. But third orbit is incompletely filled up because it requires either 18 or 8, but it does not contain 8 or 18, so it is incompletely filled up. So it is called a normal element. Next important character is that it contain metals. आणि या म्हणजे एस ब्लॉक मधल्या एलिमेंटचं वैशिष्ट्य आहे ते सगळे मेटल्सच कॅरी करतात. अँड दिस S block is placed extremely at the left side of the periodic table. After S block element, we study about the P block element. Okay, this is the periodic table. The element from 13th group to 18th group are called a P block element. Why they are called a P block element? Because they contain the elements whose valence electron, that is last electron, enter into P subshell. So it is called a P block element, and it will be studied with the help of example of chlorine. Okay, atomic number is 17. According to suborbital, look at valence electron is entered into P subshell. So it is called a P block element. The element from P block and from 17th group is called halogens, or they are all halogens, while from 18th group they are called noble gases or inert gases. Why they are called noble or inert? Because they does not take part in any kind of reaction vigorously or spontaneously. Understand? So they are called inert or noble gases. After that they are also called normal elements. आणि त्यांना सुद्धा काय म्हटलं जातं, normal elements च म्हटलं जातं, because also the outermost one orbit is incompletely filled up. After that the next point is, it is very peculiar characteristic of this p block element. S block contain metals, but p block contain all kinds of elements which are under metal, which are under non-metal, and which are also under metalloids. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये धातू गुणधर्माचे पण आहेत, काही मूलद्रव्य अधातूचे पण आहेत, आणि काही धातू सदृश्य सुद्धा आहेत. आणि ही एकमेव ही जी पिक्युलर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. बाकीच्या मध्ये असं प्रकारचे तिन्ही नॉन मेटल्स, मेटल्स आणि मेटलॉइड्स हे कुठल्याच ब्लॉक मध्ये येत नाही, फक्त आणि फक्त पी ब्लॉक मध्ये येतं. अँड दिस पी ब्लॉक इज प्लेस्ड एक्स्ट्रीमली राइट साइड ऑफ द our periodic table or modern periodic table. Okay, after that we have to study the d block element. Okay, look at into the periodic table, the element from third group to 12 group are called d block element. Why they are called d block element? Because similar to S and P, the element from d block valence electron enter into d subshell, and it will be studied with the help of example of scandium. Look at the valence electron and it is into the d subshell, so this is called a d block element. Now next is these d block elements are called transition elements. S block normal element, p block also normal element, but d block is called a transition elements. Why? Because its outermost two orbitals are incompletely filled, and it will be studied with the example of scandium. Look into the scandium. In first orbit there are 2 electrons, in second 8 electron, in third 9 electron. It may be either 8 or it should be 18. It means it is incomplete, and it is also contain 2. In the fourth orbit it should require 8 electrons, but it contain only 2. In this manner outermost 2 orbitals are incompletely filled, so it is called a transition element, and this block contain only metals. Okay, and the last is that it is placed at the middle of the modern periodic table. After the d block element we are to study about the F block element. Look into the periodic table. The element from periodic table which are placed at the bottom side of the periodic table, they are called d block F block element. Okay, now what are their characteristics? The valence electron enter into F subshell. Okay, now next third character is that S and P block element are called normal element, D block element are called transition element, but F block element are called inner transition element. Why? Because because outermost 3 orbitals are incompletely filled. नॉर्मलच्या बाबतीमध्ये फक्त एकच इनकम्प्लीट असते, ट्रान्झिशनच्या बाबतीत 2 इनकम्प्लीट असतात, पण इनर ट्रान्झिशनच्या बाबतीत 3 इनकम्प्लीट असतात, म्हणून त्याचं नावच काय पडलंय, इनर ट्रान्झिशन एलिमेंट असं पडलंय. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट दॅट इज सेम. नेक्स्ट इट कंटेन ऑल्सो मेटल, जे तुमचे सगळे मेटल्स आहेत. अँड वन मोर थिंग इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, दॅट द एलिमेंट फ्रॉम 6th period which are placed at the bottom side in a F block is called a lanthanide series. Why it is called lanthanide series? Because this series start from element that is called lanthanum. ओके, म्हणजे हा जो तुम्हाला इथे दिसतो लॅन्थेनियम, याचा ॲटॉमिक नंबर बघा किती आहे, 57 आहे, बरोबर आहे. त्यानंतर किती आले, 72 आले. 57च्या पुढचे कुठे गेले 58 पासूनचे, तर ते इथं ठेवलेत खाली. आणि इथं जर ते ठेवलं तर त्यांचे कॅरेक्टर इथं मॅच होत नाहीत. म्हणजे इथून काही मूलद्रव्य आहेत की जे या पिरियड मध्ये बसतात पण या पिरियडच्या प्रॉपर्टी मध्ये पुढे नाहीत बसत किंवा ग्रुपच्या उभ्या प्रॉपर्टी मध्ये बसत नाहीत. मग ते उचलून खाली ठेवलेत आणि त्याची सुरुवात लॅन्थेनाइड सिरीज पासून होते. लॅन्थेनम नावाच्या एलिमेंट पासून होते, त्यामुळे त्याला नाव पडलं लॅन्थेनाइड सिरीज. ओके, द एलिमेंट फ्रॉम 6 ग्रुप आर प्लेस्ड इन अ F block element are called lanthanide series. Similarly, the element from F block which are placed from 7th group at the bottom side, they are called actinide series because its starting element is actinium. Okay, in this manner, in today's video we study about the blocks from the modern periodic table. All of the student, if you like this video, then you should be press like, should like this channel and video. And